Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn all about segments in Highperformr AI. Segments are the foundation of the platform. They allow you to organize accounts and contacts in a way that helps you focus on the right targets, enrich your data, prioritize opportunities, and drive more effective outreach. To begin, click on Audience in the left sidebar. At the top, you will notice the Quick Action bar, which provides you the most common ways to create segments. Find contacts, find companies, import CSV, social prospecting, integration, blank segment, and more. For example, let's say you select Find Contacts. Here, you define your search criteria such as industry, job title, or geography, and Highperformr AI will show you a preview of matching results. By clicking Continue, a new segment is created and all of these contacts are automatically imported. You can even rename the segment for convenience if needed. Similarly, you can use Find Companies to enrich your database, import CSV to bring in an existing list of prospects to enrich, or social prospecting to see who is engaging with your team and convert that activity into a segment. You can click on More to see every option for audience building and automation. This includes finding and enriching contacts or companies, capturing LinkedIn engagement, tracking job or funding or news signals, importing files, syncing CRMs, and connecting integrations. If you prefer to set up your workflow task or automation before you import data, choose Blank Segment and give it a name based on your preference. This option gives you a clean workspace where you can decide how to populate the data. You can then use any of the available methods such as finding contacts, importing a CSV, or adding companies. The same creation options remain available inside the blank segment, giving you flexibility and control. You can also duplicate any segment. For instance, you might want to replicate all the tasks and workflows with a different dataset for testing purposes or to share with teammates. Users often tend to duplicate segments to reuse setups across clients or to A/B test different data inputs. So, to duplicate a segment, click the copy icon. A duplicate will appear and you can rename it if needed. When duplicating, you'll now see a prompt to choose what to carry over. You can duplicate everything including sources, workflows, and views, or choose to duplicate only workflows and views, leaving out the original data sources. To move a segment to a different folder, click the Move icon, select the destination folder, and click Move. On the left panel of your segments, you'll find a search bar where you can quickly look up any segment you've created before. All your saved segments are available under All Segments. If you'd like to see only the ones you've interacted with recently, check Recently Used. And for the ones you've personally created, look under Created by You. You could also use folders in Highperformr AI to keep multiple segments organized by function, team, teammate, or any structure that fits your workflow. To create a new folder, you can either click the plus icon next to the segment search bar at the top, or you can scroll to the bottom to select Create Folder. Give your folder a name, and if needed, add a description for clarity. You could also create a new segment directly inside a folder so it stays organized from the start. Whenever you create a segment, Highperformr AI automatically ties it to the data source you used. For instance, importing a CSV or running a contact search creates a linked source that stays accessible in your workspace. In other words, every way you bring data into Highperformr AI becomes a reusable source and is referred to as a source for future segments. Segments are more than just lists. They are living collections of accounts and contacts that grow richer with every action you take. By mastering how to create and manage them, you set the stage for smarter targeting, better prioritization, and more effective go-to-market execution. For any further questions, feel free to reach out at teams@highperformr.ai. See you in the next video. Thank you.